Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Singer and I'm in the Minecraft world. Welcome to my world. Hey, let's go check things out. So here we are walking around. We're in a nice village. Oh look, there's some chickens over there and some houses and my friend the pig. Oh, and what is this place? It's a what? It has a nice green overhang. There's a sign here. Let's see what the sign says. Right Charter, room 24, Mr. Singer. And who is this? Oh, maybe that's Mr. Waters. Excuse me, Mr. Waters, you got to get out of the way. I want to go inside. Excuse me. Oh, yes, it's our classroom. Look at it. Here's all our table groups. Oh, sorry for walking on your table. Here's table 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 here in the back. Here's some cabinets, extra desk, storage. Oh, here's the sink and water fountain. Sorry, the drum set's not here. We've got our cabinets, some bookshelves. Here's the round table. Somebody's reading books at it. Sorry, I couldn't make it round. Oh, look, here's my desk. The teacher desk here. Yeah. And our wonderful whiteboard. And there's the TV up there. Pretty cool. What's over? Let's look over here. Let's go out these doors. Oh, and look, here's the stairs going down. Well, usually the bathroom's over there, but it looks like it sank into the ocean. Here's another sign that says the same thing, room 24. Let's go back inside. Of course, we got to close the door so that the cats don't come in. All right, so let's check things out here. Hey, let's watch something on the TV. Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. Singer, with your weekly announcements. Welcome to week 6. I think we're on week 6 of remote learning here at school in room 24. So let's see what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about, I want to make sure everybody knows how to use Google Classroom. Okay, here we are in Google Classroom. This is the student view. So, you have your stream, which always has things in chronological order, but I usually like to look at classwork because things get buried in the stream. So in classwork, you have these things at the top that have little look like bookmarks. This is material that you are going to use over and over again, so that always stays at the top. First thing is weekly announcements. In here, you'll find all the weekly announcements. So if you've missed one, look here. And every Monday, definitely check here for your weekly announcement. The remote learning class schedule, hopefully you've already looked at this. We'll look at this really quick. And all it is a weekly calendar that tells you that, Monday, there's a teacher video, this announcement video, and a math video. Tuesday, Zoom math help. Wednesday, a new math video, and you can talk to Miss Harkey. And then on Thursday is more math help with Mr. Singer that went with the math video. And then Friday is the class meeting. All right, cool. Now, you also have all your Zoom links are up here too. So this is for the Stargirl Book Club. This one is for the Friday class meeting. And this one is for the Tuesday and Thursday math help, right? So, and all these things you really should go to. It's not just if you feel like it. And then here you have the subjects, remote math. So whatever assignments are here, the newest ones are on top. You have math, science, language arts, social studies. These are the ones you need to be concerned with. The other thing you should know about is the View Your Work tab there. If you click on that, it shows all the assignments that you've done, and it shows whether you got a score on it, whether it's missing. If it's assigned, that means you have not turned it in yet. So make sure you keep up with that. And the other thing that you should know about is Google Calendar. If you click on Google Calendar, it gives you your own Google Calendar that has all of the assignments that are from Google Classroom are already in here. And if you click on any of the assignment, it has the whole thing and explains what to do. It has all the links. It has whatever you need in here. So definitely check your Google Calendar too. And the last thing is the People tab. Email is turned on for you guys now, so if you want to send an email to me or Miss Harkey or Mr. V. The two big things we're going to do this week are math and science, because that's what I teach, math and science. In math, we're going to learn about finding the areas of parallelograms. So yeah, you'll do that. That video is out today, so make sure you look at that video. It's out today, Monday. It's an Ed puzzle. You'll do the video, and then you will also do the page in the book that goes with it. We're just going to do 8 problems in the book. It'll be pretty easy. The other thing that you need to know about is science. So for science, we've been learning about atoms, and we're going to see kind of a practical way that they get put in use with electricity. And so you actually have a hyperdoc, which is like a Google Doc that has videos for you to watch, some stuff for you to read, and then you're going to have to do some writing to go along with it. And that's what we're going to do. Let's take a quick look at that. Hi, here is your science lesson for the week. So this is called a hyperdoc. It's just a Google Doc that has a bunch of things that you write in it, and then there's things that you watch. So make sure you read all this. You're going to first fill out what you already know about electricity. Maybe you know a lot, maybe you don't. Then you're going to watch this video right here. You just click and then go to that, and it's just it's part of a Bill Nye video, so it's only a few minutes long. Then you're going to write 3 things you learned about the video, 2 things you want to know more about, and 1 thing that you might be confused about. If you are an expert and you know everything, then just write that. Page 2, you talk. It talks about electric charges, so you're going to look at this Wonderopolis thing. It's kind of a cool little video. Then there's a little bit more about static electricity. There's a graphic that's going to be really helpful for what you have to do later. And then there's another video of some kids doing stuff with static electricity. Now you have to demonstrate what you learned. So we have this thing here, and if you read this, it says double click on the drawing below. That's this whole thing. So I double click, and now I can take these boxes of charged particles and I can move them into these different boxes. So if you think this one should go here, you're going to drag it and put it in there, and so on and so forth. So each of these pictures you're going to put in one of the boxes for which you think is the right one. And then over here it says explore creating static electricity, and has directions on what you have to do. So you're going to kind of see if you can make some static electricity on your own in your house, and then you reflect on it. So it says use the space below. It means you need to write something in this space below, and then to demonstrate what you learned, you are going to double click on this picture. Notice this is double click, and now this is a drawing, so you can add arrows and shapes, and I can add an arrow here that explains what is happening, and most importantly, you can add a text box. Add a text box, and you can type in things to explain what's happening. Got it? So you can use shapes and drawings and pictures to explain what's happening. And that is your science assignment for the week. Yes. I think that's all I have to tell you. So let's go back into the Minecraft world. Adios. All right, welcome back. What is going on back there? Oh my gosh, my classroom is full of zombies. And look, there's little baby zombies. And people are running away. Oh no. Hey, get off the furniture, you guys. Look, they're capturing the villagers and turning them into zombies. Let me tell you, sometimes this is what it feels like teaching. It feels like all my students are crazy zombies. But, I still miss them. What can I say? All right, well, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I will have to deal with these zombie students. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll see you guys at the next Zoom meeting. Remember, please check Google Classroom for your math and science. Adios. Bye. 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 Bye.